We're checking out Tapovan. This is a 4-bedroom apartment with balconies, large bedrooms, airy, breezy apartment, tall, lanky tower. We are checking out a 4-bedroom on a higher floor, K Mehta Road, Tagore Road as well, close by, and a very, very beautiful and great atmosphere right between the Linking Road and SV Road. So it's very close to the airport as well. The connectivity is super from here to all the places. Let's go and check out another view of Tapovan from another side. But what a lovely tower this is. This is quite popular around here. When I was checking for this one, a lot of people knew about this and they directed me to this tower. And parking is also very sorted. Premium parking available with the apartment. Let's go and check out. Nice quiet street as well. It's a great architecture, fabulous double-heighted lobby, and look at the wavy structure and the design. Superb. And we came in from there, and that's Tapovan. Let's go and have a look at the double-height lobby here. It is splendiferous, smooth, and that's Tapovan for you. 12-story. And elevators working all the time. Let's go and have a look at what we have. But that's the one. It's a mammoth terrace where all the residents can come and do the yoga, do the walks. For all the residents, common society terrace. Amazing stuff this is. You can see everything, all the corners from here. Santacruz car Bandra, because it's close to airport as well. That's why the height is restricted to all the buildings, but that's what it is. We're checking out a lovely 4-bedroom apartment. This is Tapovan in Santacruz. 1 bedroom here. This is a living space. We've got a big balcony, huge rooms, approx 2,700 square feet carpet area. And you got a kitchen there, dining there, you got a television area, you got plenty of stuff. Television can be in one of the places, but look at this, massive, huge, and tremendous. You got kitchen, you got bedroom, and a couple of bedrooms there as well. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms. I want to take you out 2 apartments per floor, and you got elevator here and here, brand new elevators installed. And the best part is staff toilet on every mid-landing. Big staircases as well. So let's go and check what we have. Approx 10,000 rupees maintenance every month. Let me show you the living from this way. Nice. Now I want to shut the door so that we can have a proper expanse to everything. There we go. Isn't it much better? This is between Linking Road and SV Road, Santacruz West. You got everything nearby and close by, but look at the balcony. It's a huge deck. Keep walking all the time, all the while. Take steps and count your steps. You will easily do 10,000 steps a day if you keep walking all the way there, right till there. Tapovan building. It's a very popular tower here. Fantastic locality, as you can see. Podar International School right there. Have a look, this one. So schools, hospitals, shopping, retail, everything is close by and nearby. And we have ended up and landed in one of the bedrooms. It's a master bedroom. So master bedroom has also been given that extension of the balcony. There we go. This is your attached and the walk-in. Superb. This is amazing, fantastic, and fantabulous. Brilliant. So we went there. We went all the way there and ended up there. So let's go and see the kitchen. We checked 1 bedroom already. That's a dining, fully marble. So everything will be given the way it is. Of course, the buyer comes and does the way they want. But look at the kitchen as well. Superb kitchen, modular kitchen, cabinets, and storage, plethora of storage as well. And look at the dry and wet area segregation as well. Washing machine accommodated easily, and plenty of space for you to utilize to its optimum. Great space everywhere. So this house is all about space, the magnanimity of every corner speaks volumes about what kind of apartment you are getting into. One of the common bedrooms, you can use it for media room, you can use it for study, you can use it to give it to your kids. We are on a higher floor as well. Let's check the third bedroom. Before that, common bathroom. And this is the one with the attached bathroom. So again, this has got workstation there. You got plenty of space here. You shut this. It's one of the wardrobes here. And storage and shelves and drawers. Plenty of stuff. And the ensuite. And the balcony to boot. This is what you're getting into. If you go straight ahead, have a look. Keep going straight, keep going straight. Keep going right till there. So you got like semicircular balconies, like bit of a wrap around, wrapping couple of bedrooms around. And look at the breeze. You see the curtains just flowing in the wind. Tremendous. The shears are here and the walk-in. Let me show you the bedroom first. And this is where we could have ended up if we had walked all the way from the other bedroom in the balcony. That's what it is. This is your attached bathroom with the bedroom, and got a big nice walk-in, plenty of space as you can see. And there we go, dressing area as well. So advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. This is Tapovan, 4-bedroom. I'll be mentioning the price in the description. Santacruz, I love Santacruz. I'll see you soon guys here. Alright, cheers.